So next stop, 66 Yuen Wong Tai Sin Temple. Exit B. Over this way. Yeah, I came here the other day, but it shut at 4:30. It was about 4:45 when I got here. I didn't realise it shut so early. So yeah, I missed out that day. Come today for the second attempt. It's 1:30, so we should be okay. Got plenty of time to have a look round. I'm going to head back to the digs early, have a bit of a relax. Maybe edit a video. I think I'm going to go out this evening. I might get the Star Ferry over into Central. I was holding it off, so I'm moving to a hotel over that side of the water on Wednesday. So I was trying to do everything this side of the river that I wanted to do first, up River Harbour, and then go over to that side next week. But yeah, I don't see any harm in going. The nightlife on this side, I don't know if I'm missing something, but it's not as it doesn't seem as good, I don't think. There's a few bars. I found a nice Irish bar. I think the more nightlife spots are over the other side on Hong Kong Island. And thank you. So I think that's the plan. Lots of people selling incense here, must be for the temple. So this is the entrance to 66 Yuen Wong Temple. Entrance this way. I've got an escalator. People are rubbing this dragon's nose. I don't know if it's for good luck. Lady here taking a selfie. Have a bit of luck. Entrance this way, we've got escalators. Thought I was just checking out of the Robin Hood animation. Yeah, I think I'll be mouse here, chickens over there, mice here, the dragons. Yeah, I'll be all templed and monasteries out after today, I think. Hoping it's not quite as humid tomorrow. So I'm planning on doing a hike. Very busy here.
Very dangerous. We go this way.
The wish garden. Not sure how this works. Whether you have to give an offering. Oh wow. Some big carp in here. Oh yeah, so people are throwing coins onto the lily pads by the looks of it. Lovely little garden, pond, very peaceful. It's quite a lot bigger complex than I imagined. Stream in the middle, oh, another pond up here. Oh, no entry. We're having another selfie. I don't know which way to go now. Right, and that's it for the Yuen temple. Yeah, I'm worn out now, so I've done 2 monasteries, 1 temple today. Quite a bit of travelling in between them. I only tracked my mileage at the 10,000 Buddhas monastery, and I think I walked 1.5 miles there. So I probably walked a mile at each of. I'm going to say I probably did walk 3 miles today around the temples, but like I say, a lot of travelling on public transport. I spent very little again today. I don't know which way the station was now, I think down there. Yeah, well, how much was my breakfast? So I think my breakfast was about £6 and my lunch was £6.90. So I've spent about, let's say, £15 plus I bought 2 bottles of Pocari Sweat. Yeah, so about £15 I spent, same as yesterday. Plus public transport, that I loaded my card up. That's in another day's budget. I loaded that up, so I've not really been counting the cost of public transport, but it's very cheap and affordable. Very easy to get around using public transport and the Octopus card. So yeah, I think I'll go out tonight. Not go mad. I'm just going to. I might have an explore around Wong Tai Sin, I think it's called. I might have got the pronunciation wrong. In Central, get the Star Ferry over into Central, but we'll see. First off, I'm gonna head back and have a rest for an hour. Yeah, thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.